अस्सलामुअलैकुम। मेरे चैनल टेक एक्सप्लोर में खुशामदीद। तमाम दोस्तों से गुजारिश है कि जिन्होंने मेरे चैनल टेक एक्सप्लोर सब्सक्राइब किया, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, लाइक करें और साथ लगे बेल आइकन को दबाएं ताकि हर मालूमाती वीडियो आप तक बवक्त और आसानी से पहुंचती रहे। चलें जी, चलते हैं हम अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। हाउ टू रिस्टार्ट फ्रॉम टाइम मशीन। If you have set time machine up on the up on your Mac, you will never have to worry about losing your file again. The Time Machine app is a built-in backup application on your computer that can recover, including file restore your Mac to an easier version, or set up a new Mac hard show to restore with Time Machine notes. You can only restore files that have been backed up with the machine first. If you want to know how to back up your Mac with when Time Machine, check out to guide her computer repair need professional help with your computer secure. How to restart file this Time Machine. If you actually did delete file or folder, hard show restore them with Time Machine. Make sure your Time Machine backup disk in the connect to your computer. Click the Apple logo in the top left connect corner of your screen. Then click System Performs. Mac Apple menu System Performance. Click the Time Machine icon. The icon look like a credit allow arrow point download that surrounding a clock face. Clicking this open time Mac system performance time machine. Check the box next to show time machine in menu bar. The time machine icon will now be in the menu bar. Show time machine in the menu bar. Click the time machine icon in the menu bar. This look like a clock with a arrow point them and then select enter time machine. This will bring up a screen will with all of your old time machine backup. Apple menu bar, enter time machine. Find the file folder you want to restore. You will see all your provide save stuck on the stack. Save stuck on the top of one and other. The further back they are, the longer it has been since that save was made. You can also see when the backup was made by looking at the timeline in the bottom right corner. You can use the space bar the preview the file to make sure it's correct one. Finally, click restore the items and copy the file back to its original location. How to restore Mac with how to restore file with time machine. How to restore Mac with time machine. If you're installing a new hard drive or your Mac broke down on your you have many want to fully restore your Mac in recover mode include all the application and file her all the settings to do that with time machine. Make sure your time machine backup disk in the connect to your complete. Restart your Mac. while the system is running, or hold down the command.